KIRBY SENTRIA for Christmas. The boys want a KIRBY SENTRIA for Christmas. What happens if I turn it on? KIRBY SENTRIA. KIRBY SENTRIA. Hi everybody, we are back with the KIRBY SENTRIA. I just did a little bit of vacuuming with it. So you probably saw this green light. This green light means the brush roller is turning and everything's working. If you don't see this green light, you probably should check it in your brush roller. And that is done turning that and opening that stuff. The KIRBY SENTRIA can go like this. I don't know why, but KIRBY just made it that way. But what happens if we turn on drive? So the commands are right in the corner, right on the bottom here. Here's drive and here's neutral. To drive, and neutral, you have drive, you also have neutral. And watch what happens when I click drive. Need this so they can go just work in their office while their vacuum is going down the halls, and they can clean up and they don't even have to worry about it. But we're going to slide that back on neutral because we don't need it going right into all my setup. But KIRBY SENTRIA is quite the good vacuum. It has a physical handle to make it a lot easier to lift it. So I can just do that. I can still unplug it, it'll still do it. I can still wrap the cord, it'll still do it. Well, maybe not. But you can always wind up your cord and put it down. So KIRBY SENTRIA is a good vacuum. There's a sticker on it that said works $10. Must have got it for $10. So this light also comes on too. So if I put it in drive mode right now, it's just going to seem harder to move it. It will not drive. Yeah. But KIRBY SENTRIA is a very good vacuum cleaner. I really like it. So there is no filters. I'd recommend washing this every once in a while. This old fabric piece here. Probably something you should do every 1 year, because this is basically its filter, so just in case it got dirty. And I'd like everybody to go do what's on my shirt. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. KIRBY SENTRIA.